My dad worked at Texaco.
My dad worked at Shell, Rubicon.
My father worked at Gulfport Shipyard.
My father worked in the refinery as well as all of his uncles.
Firestone Chemical Plant.
He was a pipe fitter.
Pipe fitter.
They had to clean the pipes off, help re-insulate them.
A security guard.
Inside machinist.
Pump House 57.
And he stayed there at that one job.
And that's where he retired.
Till he retired.
My dad never wore protective clothing.
Never did offer any safety equipment as far as asbestos-related stuff.
He just had a work uniform that he would wear to work and then home.
Every day my dad came home in his work clothes.
My dad did wear his work clothes home.
He did come home with dust on his uniform.
But he didn't have time to take a bath or nothing like that.
And of course we would greet him and hug him and play with him and sit on his lap.
I would always want to go and put on the uniform or put on his jacket.
We had put him in a pile in the basket.
Dirty clothes would go into the hamper in the bathrooms.
Then one of us kids or my mother would get them out.
Was always a little helper to my mother.
So we all took turns of going get the clothes and bring them out.
Take them to the washing machine.
She called me and she was like, I think we all need to be tested. We all washed Dad's clothes.
My mom said that me and my sisters could go and get tested
There was a possibility that my brother and I might need to be tested
and that we should.
because we were all in the same area where she was doing laundry.
The laundry room sits right there with the kitchen.
The laundry was actually in our kitchen area of our home.
Kind of off of the living room area.
I have a real bad issue with breathing. I can't walk, like I said, to my mailbox about 30 feet.
I had some scarring on my
the lungs.
I would say go get tested. It wouldn't hurt anything.
Doesn't take that much of your time.
And then you would know for sure your health is important to you.
You need to know the results.
I've never worked in an industrial setting or factory.
You need to know what's going on.
I never spent any time at my dad's workplace at all. I'm a teacher.
Asbestos illnesses can take 20 to 50 years to appear. Many people who were exposed as children are only now discovering they were injured. Fortunately, $30 billion in court-ordered compensation is still available. AsbestosClaims.law helped these clients receive their share, all without a lawsuit. If you believe you might qualify, give us a call or search our database for your family member's workplace history. And if you believe you were exposed to asbestos in your workplace or household, speak to a healthcare professional about diagnosing asbestos damage. A quick chest x-ray could save your life.
They didn't feel that they were affected until you really pay attention to someone else's story.
Call AsbestosClaims.law to qualify for asbestos compensation without a lawsuit. No fees unless you receive compensation.